Hello students, good morning to all of you. Students, in today's class, I will explain you or guide about your art integrated project. Uh, Student, basically the art integrated learning activity based project is you can use the different physical concept to make your project. Basically, I will just explain you about the three or four things like in games how you relate the physics, in the concept of fluid pressure, concept of Pascal's law. So first I will explain you how to make the art integrated project on the behalf of projectile motion in the any game, okay, which you want to use it, okay. uh, the concept of projectile motion. Suppose in projectile motion you just understood about the some uh, important terms like trajectory. When a ball is thrown or delivered by a bowler, the basically it moves in a path. That path which uh, followed by the ball after delivered from the bowler end is known as trajectory. Speed, by which speed the bowler delivered the ball, and how much time the ball is spent to touch the ground after delivered by the bowler, okay. And then a special condition is the gravity linked with the motion of the ball or any particular different situation which is under the effect of free fall, okay. So just I will take an example to link the physics in the particular game. Let I will just explain you about क्रिकेट, ठीक है. क्रिकेट में क्या है कि when you make the project related to the projectile motion, so for cricket you need to first explain between the separation of the two wickets. Suppose these are the two wickets. First one is the batsman side, or second is the bowler side, okay. These are the two, and you know that the distance between the two is about 22 yard, okay. Now suppose a bowler, for example, a bowler is delivered ball from this end, okay, from this point, okay. So you will observe that the ball is moving like that, and after some time hit the ground and move towards the batsman, okay. So in this case you will observe from this end the motion of the trajectory or the path of the ball after delivery by the bowler is such a smooth curve. This particular path is called the trajectory, and you can form this trajectory in different ways. And similarly, after hitting the ground, the ball is moving from ground towards batsman. So you can just use here a concept of the final velocity, and you can just explain or link with the or split the final velocity in the horizontal component and the vertical components, okay. And then after you will apply here your concept of projectile motion, and now you can take or explain that the ball is delivered by a bowler with a speed of 80 km per hour okay, 80 kilometer per hour, and hits the ground with a force of, or apply a force of 150 Newton, okay, for an example. And then earth react with the same force, and the ball after hitting the ground is moving towards the batsman with the speed of 60 kilometer per hour, because some energy is spent to apply a thrust to the ground or etc. Now you can use some examples here to explain the things like its trajectory, its height, its time of flight, horizontal range, and etc. Okay, so this is a first kind of activity which you form on the behalf of the physics concept projectile motion. Next, we understood about the fluid pressure. It is a very good activity. You can take you can take a bottle, okay, you can take a bottle and put some small holes with different separation. Let's say there are 4 holes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now pour the water in the bottle. Okay, therefore you can observe here the water out, or water out from the bottle from the first air hole is attempt the maximum distance, while the water out from the fourth hole is attempt the less distance. This is x1, this is x4, this is x2, and this is x3. Okay, this is because of the, suppose we have, this is first layer of water, this is second layer, this is fourth, this is fifth layer, this is sixth layer, or similarly. Okay, so every layer of water has some molecules and water has weight. तो जितना particular air flux से water ज़्यादा होगा, you will observe that the water thrust applied on the particular air flux is maximum. That is why you will observe the bottom, near to the bottom, air out to get a maximum range, while the hole very far from the bottom is air out from that very near to the this is x4 distance and this is x1. Okay, so you will get from here x1 is greater than x2, while h1 is very near to bottom. Okay, so this is actually the fluid pressure. Okay, this is the fluid pressure concept. Similarly, you can use the Pascal's law. in the Pascal's law you can use the two syringe. Like I have the two syringe, airtight piston, okay. This is syringe 1, and next I have syringe 2, okay. These are the two syringes. Now the two syringes are linked with a surgical pipe. You can get easily and connect the two syringe like that. Okay. Now fill the water in this. Like that. Okay. Now you can easily observe here the water is filled in both till the air inside it. Now suppose this is the bigger area A1 and this is A2. Here A1 is greater than A2. So I will just put here an heavy object on the head of syringe 1, and because it is heavier, therefore we have to apply a huge amount of force to lift it higher than it is actually. So अब अगर हम यहाँ से इसको प्रेशर लगाते हैं, which means when we tip the syringe 1 or apply a pressure on the syringe 1, let's say syringe 2, let's say P2 is applied pressure on it, therefore we observe pressure P1 is applied on this object, and we observe here that the piston is reached at this level and the weight placed over the syringe is also get a higher level. Okay, this. So this kind of activity you use here to explain the concept of Pascal's law behind the hydraulic pressure. Okay, this is how you can explain, and these are some small activities which you can use to form your art integrated activity. Not only these, but you have many concepts in the physics for which you can think beyond these explanation. This is just an idea how to use or how to form the art integrated project in physics. Okay, you can also use, I will just explain to you one another activity, how we hear the sound due to the blowing air. Okay, sound due to air. Okay, in 11th class concept you have learned that organ pipes, clear? These concept you have learned in your 11th class. Suppose you have a straw, any straw you can take, not only the organ pipe. If you take the straw which is a plastic pipe, you can use for the drinking of juice or etc. Suppose you have a straw like that. Okay, so just cut the straw in such a way. Okay, and mark a cut also here, so that the air will coming from the straw. Now from this point suck the air. Okay, जब आप इसको इस तरह से लेकर हवा को अंदर खींचेंगे, ठीक है, सक करेंगे फ्रॉम द स्ट्रो एयर, यू विल hear a sound. Okay, this is also a activity which explain how we can hear the sound due to blowing airs in the. These are some ideas to make your art integrated activity project. And students, basically you need to form a video in your art integrated activity in physics about 1 or 2 minutes maximum in length. Okay, and for a record purpose you need to basically the activity is in the 4 or 5 student in group, but you also make the activity file also, in which you use the A4 size paper and the activity explained maximum 4 to 5 pages only. Okay, you also use there the acknowledgement and the certificate also. Thank you.